Hello and thank you for joining LuckyRV.com. This is a quick introductory video explaining how our website works. From this main members area, you can go to any area of the site. Global setup, it allows you to change your contact information and your info page, which gives you a little website so people can learn about you and your company. Manage Catalog is going to show you everything in your catalog of RVs. And each of these areas has their own video explaining how they work. Manage Reservations. When you click on each of these, it brings open an additional expanded menu over here. This user doesn't currently have any reservations, but if you look at finished reservations, it brings up a whole list of their finished reservations. Back to the members area, account info is going to allow you to change all your account information and update it as needed. Contact Manager is a nice feature. You will be able to send emails to anybody that's rented from you or inquired about your RV. You can send out coupons. Advertising your summer specials, and then again, technical support. We're here to help you whenever you need help. There is one additional link over here. It's the rental school. We have a whole bunch of videos helping you become a better RV dealer. And so that's my quick introductory video. I hope that helps, and please contact us if you have questions. Thank you.